Introducing Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell brings convenience, monitoring, and security to your most valuable asset, your home. Ring streams HD video and audio seamlessly over wireless internet to smartphones and tablets. Ring makes it convenient to see and speak with whomever's at your front door, anytime from anywhere.
Hello?
Delivery for Aaron Parker?
Thanks, you can leave it at the door.
And Ring's configurable motion detection makes it easier than ever to monitor your home.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's unique cloud recording feature, you can easily access, rewind, or share your video events. And when it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello, sir. I'm selling cases of Primo Clean. Can I put you down for a box?
You know what? We're kind of busy right now, bathing the kids. Maybe some other time.
Home burglaries are a worldwide epidemic. Traditional security systems let you know after someone has entered your home, and most home burglaries start with a simple ring of the doorbell to see if anyone's home.
May I help you?
Oh, good afternoon. We're just in the neighborhood doing some free tree trimming estimates.
No, thank you, I'm not interested.
Ring helps families secure their homes from unwanted visitors and discourages burglars from ever entering. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide array of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. The doorbell's 180-degree HD camera lets you monitor more than just your doorstep, during the day or at night. And you can easily customize Ring's motion detection sensors through the Ring app to exclude areas like busy nearby sidewalks and roads, so you only get notified when it matters. It's easy to install the Ring Video Doorbell with the included mounting hardware. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Simply attach the included mounting bracket to a flat surface. Then place Ring on the bracket and secure Ring with a proprietary security screw that prevents theft. Should someone steal your Ring doorbell, we'll even replace it for free. With dual power options, you can power Ring with a built-in rechargeable battery, good for over 12 months of regular use, or hardwire Ring to your existing doorbell. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today.